Hey, guess what today is? Halloween decorating day. And we're gonna be using this guy and some of these guys to do it. We're not gonna be using any of those cheesy blow up things, which if you have them, they're super cool. But we're gonna be automating the house. So when somebody comes up and rings the doorbell, this thing, the ring chime, is gonna let off a scream. Then I'm gonna trigger some strobe lights to go off above our walkway. It's gonna be amazing! I'm also gonna show you some super cool apps that you can do and you can link up that'll play some scary music. Buckle up, here we go! Alright, let's get into this thing. So this is the ring chime from Ring, and it is pretty cool. So you can take this and you can put it in your house, and then when anybody rings the doorbell, it will go off and make a traditional doorbell sound or whatever. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. This is what it looks like, just right there. And then if you can see it, this QR code on the back, we're gonna scan it so it will link up with our Ring account. So grab your smartphone, open your Ring app, go to set up a device, tap on chimes, scan that QR code. It's gonna do that right there. We're gonna hit continue. We're gonna go custom, name your chime. I was gonna name it door chime. Boom. Then we're gonna plug it in. So make sure that your Ring chime is in a good spot and very close to your Wi-Fi so that you can make sure you set up a good connection. So on the screen here, it's gonna say tap continue once the Ring logo begins to pulse slowly. We see our Ring is blinking. We're gonna hit continue. It's gonna ask us to join the Wi-Fi network that it already has. As you can see, it's trying to figure out where this thing is at. Your chime is now scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. There we go. Connect to the Netgear. Yup, that's the one we want. Chime is connecting to Netgear. Should take a couple minutes and then we will be good to go. So first you're gonna open up your Ring app. Then you're gonna go up here to your hamburger. You're gonna go to devices, tap on your door chime, hit audio settings, chime tones. Then it is gonna give you all sorts of different things on here that you can do, especially some new ones for Halloween. Adjust your desired volume. We're doing scream. Hit save changes. It's gonna take it a minute to go through. Hit that, get back out of there. Boom, boom. Cool, so now we've set our Ring chime with our Ring doorbell inside of the settings. We've set the spooky tone. I've got it down here plugged into an outlet. We're gonna see if it works. Here we go. There it is. Done. All right, so we're out in the garage right now. It is like 1 o'clock in the morning, but I am gonna show you this app that we're gonna be using. And to do this, we're gonna be using the Hue Halloween app, and we're gonna connect it to our HomePod. The HomePod is awesome, and it will give off enough sound for it to travel from sitting on my deep freezer out both the garage doors. I tested it today and it was perfectly fine. So anyway, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go open up. Let me get this screen recording started. So you're gonna go in here. You're gonna open up your Hue Halloween app. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the music that you want to play. It's gonna start off on your smartphone first. You can hit autoplay right there, and it'll start doing whatever you need. And then what you can do is up here in the top, you can tap on that, and that's gonna take you to whatever device you want it to be streaming to. It just switched to that. So I can turn it up, I can turn it down just by that. And what's cool about it is that we will take this camera off of here. Don't judge my garage. I'm still getting it done. What's cool about it is that the lights will blink whenever you tap on a different icon, or just by auto playing it randomly, it'll select different things. My phone is a little out of range right now, so it's not cooperating. Alright guys, there you have it. We're done. Well, we're not done, but we're done for the night. So, we've got our chime in, we've got the scary music triggered, we've got the lights in the garage triggered. The only other thing that we need to do is we need to get the strobe light above the walkway with the ghost that I hung today. We need to get some fog machines. Some other stuff. I should say too, and this is in no way, shape, or form a public service announcement, but I will say that the Ring cameras are awesome, and the Hue lighting system is phenomenal. But the way that they're done right now, they're being drastically underutilized to what they were intended for. Is it awesome? Yeah, it is. It's really cool. But the Ring cameras are there to give you peace of mind. They're there to give you protection and to watch your house when you're not there. You can do all kinds of crazy things with them. So just like I showed you, when you push the button, a scream let out. You can also trigger your lights in your house to come on if there's motion past, like I have my house, 9 p.m. So if you walk in front of any of my cameras around my property after 9 p.m. or after dusk, all of the lights are going to come on. There's lights in the back, there's lights in the front, there's lights in the garage. I have all of my lights that when you ring it, they blink. So it's just letting people know that, hey, I know you're here. So these are great products. I encourage everybody to get them. They are fantastic. They are not expensive. You can pick up a Ring camera for $100. The really good ones are a couple hundred. That Ring chime today was $30.
The Hue lighting system, you can get into that thing for way, way under $100. I mean, they're next to nothing on Amazon or Best Buy. But do yourself a favor, check it out. Give yourself some peace of mind and make some super cool scenes with it too. Okay? See ya. I'm going to bed. There it is. It's done. Wish I had one of those turntable things. I could put this on and spin it around really awesomely. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go eat. Hopefully you guys like the video.